What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to completely edit your photos using the top and modern technologies on your favor, online and for free, and without needs of even creating an account and sharing your data, all into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to Google and type remove photos. Go to this first result right here, remove.photos. Click on it. You're gonna be able to see a site that can do this thing, or can do this, or this, or even more nice options, okay? But let's start playing with the tool, okay? I'm gonna start using the remove background feature. You scroll down, click on upload file, upload image, select a picture of yours or a picture that you would like to remove the background. Wait a moment. And here is the background, remove it. And the best part is you can download your photo without background, the without blank margin, stroke image, the fine grained mask. This is amazing for some kinds of layouts, and only the background without me, for example, okay? Simple, right? But there is many more tools. We can clean up pictures in the case that you want. There is ads on the site, but what is clean up? Imagine that you have a person right here and you can remove the person of the photo. How to do this? Let me upload the picture. I think I want that picture right here from the boat. I'm uploading the picture. Wait while the picture has been uploaded. Now imagine that I would like to remove this tree right here. Click on this pencil and you can start removing it. Of course, it may need some attempts to keep working, but I think you got the idea. You can unselect content in the case that you did something wrong, and you can select a part of the photo in the case that you need. Simple, right? Of course, it works better into some objects, but you got the idea. There is the text recognition to recognize text from pictures. We have more tools. We can enhance color, we can colorize image, so in the case that you have black and white image, you can, using AI, to add some colors to this image, which is amazing to my opinion. We have AI backgrounds. Something great that you can play with. It's free, does not need accounts. We have the option to remove sky. That is one of my favorites because you can play with the skies. Let's try out. I think this one is okay. Now we can edit the sky in the case that we wish. and customize it in the way that I want, using the edit picture. Let's check more tools. We have the image upscaler, the image compressor. We can make it a white background. We have the image converter. We can enhance the color of the pictures. Let's try out. Let me use the boat picture once again. Now, as you can see, we have many more colors to this picture. In the case that you like, all you have to do is click on download, but you can compare. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!